In this video, I'm sharing an easy dragon fruit smoothie for breakfast that will keep you full and satiate. For this dragon fruit smoothie recipe, I'm using pink dragon fruit. You can replace any of the fruits mentioned in this pink dragon fruit smoothie recipe. Step 1. Let's take in half a pink dragon fruit, to which I add in a handful of blueberries. Now you can use actually any berries of your choice like strawberries and blackberries. Now I missed to capture the next ingredient, but you can see that there are 4 cashews. Now these were soaked overnight, which helps them to break down while blending. Then we add half a tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds. Blend this up with half a cup of cold water. Now, unlike your typical smoothies which you blend quickly and serve, here give it some time for the seeds to break down. Meanwhile, let's check out what are the dragon fruit health benefits or the few health benefits of this pink dragon fruit smoothie. Dragon fruit is low in calories, with half a cup being 68 calories, but packed with essential vitamins like vitamin C and vitamin E, and minerals like iron and magnesium. It contains a substantial amount of dietary fiber with about 7 grams in 1 cup serving. Dragon fruit also supplies beneficial plant compounds like polyphenols, carotenoids, and beta-cyanins that keep our immune system working strong. Dragon fruit offers more magnesium than most fruits, with 18% of RDI in just 1 cup. So this smoothie is balanced with fruit, essential fats, fiber and protein. If you like this video, give it a like and go on to watch another dragon fruit smoothie recipe or why one should not eat too much of yellow dragon fruit, and I shall see you on the next video. Take care.